Everyone, today we are learning about alphabet sounds. We know very well that we have 26 alphabets and we know very well that these are the alphabets. But you don't know about alphabet sounds. What kind of sounds we have according to these alphabets that we will know today. Okay, this is a capital A, but we have a sound A, and this is a sound B. This is a K. This is a D. This is a This is a F. This is a G. This is a H. This is a E. This is a J. This is a K. This is a L. This is a M. This is a N. Okay. Now this is a O. This is a P. This is a K. This is a R. This is a S. This is a T. And this is a And this is a V. This is also V. This is a S. This is a Y. And this is a Z. These are the alphabet sounds. Now let's learn these alphabet sounds: A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, W, S, Y, Z. Now speedily we have to learn it. Now, A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, W, S, Y, Z. Like this, we have to learn it. These are the alphabet sounds, and these are alphabet sounds very important for your phonic subject. And you should master these alphabet sounds. Then you can pronounce the proper alphabets in the proper way. Okay, thank you so much.